Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into China's Type 056 stealth corvette, also known as the Jiangdao class. Designed by the China State Shipbuilding Corporation, this new class of stealth corvettes is aimed at modernizing the People's Liberation Army Navy plan. The Type 056 is replacing older vessels like the Jiangdao-class frigates and Type 037 patrol vessels, becoming the backbone of the plan with over 20 vessels currently on order. One of the most striking features of the Jiangdao class is its reduced crew complement. With only one-third the crew size of the Type 053 frigates, these corvettes are highly efficient. They're designed for missions ranging from patrolling and escorting to anti-submarine operations and engaging sea targets, either independently or in coordination with other forces. The first Type 056, named Bengbu, was commissioned back in February 2013, marking the beginning of a significant upgrade for the PLA Navy's medium-sized vessels. These literal combat-oriented corvettes are armed with a 76 mm main gun and measure 89 meters in length with a width of 12 meters. They have a full load displacement of 1,300 tons and can reach speeds up to 28 knots with a cruising range of 3,500 nautical miles. But that's not all. There's also an anti-submarine warfare variant, the Type 056A, which entered service in 2014. Between 2014 and 2019, 50 of these were built, but construction stopped in December 2019 as focus shifted to larger blue water warships. Interestingly, between mid-2021 and January 2023, all 22 original Type 056S were transferred to the China Coast Guard, while the plan retained the 50 Type 056As. These ships aren't just for the plan either. Export variants have been delivered to the Algerian National Navy, the Bangladesh Navy, and the Nigerian Navy. Now let's talk design. The Type 056 fills the gap between the Type 022 missile boat and the Type 054A frigate. At 90 meters long and 1,500 tons gross displacement, it's perfect for mid-range green water missions and littoral duties, though not for major blue water combat operations. It's built for a 15-day endurance for missions like patrol and escort within 200 nautical miles from the coast, freeing up larger warships for open sea deployment. The armament is impressive. An AK-100 76 mm naval gun, 2 HPJ 1730 mm autocannons, and 4 pod-launched YJ-83 anti-ship missiles. It also carries HHQ-10 surface-to-air missiles in a single 8-cell launcher and 2 triple-tube 324 mm torpedo launchers, often equipped with U-7 light anti-submarine torpedoes. On the tech side, the basic Type 056 is equipped with Type 347G radar and bow-mounted sonar. The Type 056A adds towed array and variable depth sonars, making it a formidable force in anti-submarine warfare. Plus, it has a helicopter deck for landing Z9-sized helicopters, although it lacks a hangar. So there you have it. China's Type 056 stealth corvette is a game-changer for the plan, combining modern stealth design with advanced weapon systems. If you're passionate about defense technology and want the latest updates on military advancements, this is a must-watch. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth analysis. See you in the next video.